In this video I will do some tests with a microphone connected to the Korg Monotron as an input. First, the microphone is connected to a phono preamplifier, and then the phono preamplifier is connected into the Korg Monotron, and the Korg Monotron goes out to amplified speakers. In all cases, first the microphone is connected to the phono preamplifier. The first test will be the microphone connected to the Korg Monotron. This is a test of the Korg Monotron with a microphone. This is a test of the Korg Monotron used with the microphone. Now I'm going to display for you the echo effect on a microphone with the Korg Monotron. Hello? 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 This is the echo effect. This is the echo effect on a microphone with the Korg Monotron. Now I'm going to display for you what the microphone together with the feedback turned up on the Monotron sounds like. Hello. This is a feedback test with the feedback turned up on the Monotron. And for one test I'll use a slight fuzz effect on the microphone using this circuit. I'm now going to be speaking into a microphone hooked to a phono preamplifier and then added to a slight fuzz effect circuit. Hello, hello, how are you doing today? Hello. This is a slight fuzz effect. Now I'm going to input the fuzz effect into the Korg Monotron and see what that does. This is the fuzz effect input into the Korg Monotron.